Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Apink's 1 and 6. I have both the 1 and the 6 versions, so I am going to start off with the 1 version first. These albums are really beautiful. They just look super classy and I don't know, I think they're just gorgeous. Okay, so here is the track listing. And there are 6 tracks on this mini album, and they are 일도 없어 or I'm So Sick, which is the title track for this comeback. Alright, Don't Be Silly, 별 그리고 or Forever Star, 말보다 너, Promise Me, and I Like That Kiss. This is honestly one of my favorite Apink title tracks in a long I'm So Sick is one of my favorite Apink title tracks in a long time. Because I tend to prefer Apink's earlier stuff, but this, when I saw the teasers, I was actually really excited because this is a bit different from their usual stuff. It's obviously more mature, and the concept just looked beautiful, and it is. I think this concept is wonderful. And I just really loved this title track. It hit all the right spots for me. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think my favorite other track on here, other than I'm So Sick, is probably Promise Me. And I also like Forever Star. But Promise Me just reminds me of like older Apink tracks and just has that whole nostalgic vibe. And yeah, I really love it. So yeah, let's begin with this. I'm going to take out the cards that are in here first. A card, I don't know how many. I think there's only one in here. This is so pretty. Oh, okay, so we have for the CD, Unji, and it just comes in here. Oh, she's so pretty though, she's so beautiful. I've been really excited to go through this photo book because I think this concept is exquisite, and Apink are always just so stunning in every way. Fall not in love, therefore it will stick to your face. Gravitation cannot be held responsible for people falling in love. Oh, I love this concept and the styling. It's so pretty. I know this comeback happened a while ago already, but I was just so happy that they had a comeback. I think I mentioned it in my previous Apink unboxing. just how excited I was, because really, I love these girls so much. They were the first girl group that I ever fell in love with, and they're just so special. How difficult a thing it is to love and to be wise and both at once. Credits. The hottest love has the coldest end. And yeah, that is it for the one photo book. I will go through the photo card that I got. So for the photo card in this one, I got this chorong? Yeah, chorong, like lenticular kind of card. You can see. It's so cute. So yeah, chorong. I only collect Unji and Bomi for Apink, so I will put this card up for trade or sale. But I will move on to the 6 version now. Which is just as beautiful. I just love the gold lettering on it. And the border. Okay, again, I will take out the card. And the CD. So for this CD, I got NG again. I'm so happy. I like never luck out in getting like my biases CDs. Both of them. Okay, so it looks like most of the photos, this portion of the photo book is the same as the previous one, except for from here onwards. So I will just go through this part. And then I think most of this is the same as the previous one here. So like this part of the book as well. Yep, and then that is it for this one. I do wish that we had 2 different types of photo books, but at least, I mean, it was a little bit different, I guess, but it would have been nice to have like 2 different like photo shoots like in the separate photo books. but that's okay. I will go through the photo card now. For the photo card, I got Bomi. And this is actually one of the cards that I wanted the most. She looks so beautiful in this card. So yeah, I'm really happy that I have this one. I will put this Chorong one up for trade or sale for Unji or Bomi. So that any Bomi that is not this one, at least. So please let me know if you have any Unji or Bomi cards and would like to trade or even sell them. Please let me know. I will put this up on my Instagram. So yeah, you can contact me through there as well. Anyway, it kind of makes me sad that this is probably going to be Apink's only comeback this year, because they tend to have like one comeback a year. But I'm just glad that I really enjoyed this one. I don't know. I thought it was so beautiful. I thought the concept was gorgeous, and I like that they went for something a bit different this time and like more mature, because I think that it suits them really well now, especially as they're not an old group, but they're kind of considered an older group now since they debuted in 2011. But I still really love their cute concepts. I will always have a soft spot in my heart for their cute concepts. So if they want to go back to doing cute stuff again, I'm never going to complain. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.